Hey, I'm Kamel, the founder of Snap2List. Snap2List turns your product photos into complete comp-priced eBay listings in seconds. And I am going to show you our bulk lister tool. We also have the crate listing tool, our keyword generator, our title generator, and also the inventory, our check-in and finance hub tools. You could check them out for free on snap2list.com. Uh, so yeah, let's just get started. I took some photos. It took me 25 minutes to take photos of a couple of items here. So I'm gonna upload these photos into my bulk lister, which I just dragged and dropped. And from my phone, I actually have a SD card that connects to my phone, and then I could connect the SD card to my computer where I could upload these files. And right now it is uploading. It's 42 out of 124 images, and as it is doing it is also optimizing the images to make sure it fits for ebay.com. So we're halfway through, and most of these items are clothing items, but you have the option of doing any items. Our users currently do like postcards, electronics, vintage items, and stuff like that. So we're 10 left. And as soon as this is done, this is a three-step process for the bulk lister. First is uploading, then it's batching by SKU, and then it will be to edit and publish the listings. So 124 items, I'm going to send it to the batch, and this takes us to the batching tab. And from here, I'm just going to put a SKU in. So this is box 16, and I've tried it before. So it's box 16, and SKU is 001. And from here, I have some tips here where you could shift and click to select a range or any of these, control A to select all and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna shift click and grab my first item here. And as I do batch the first item, we see the SKU over here automatically goes to 2. So make it much faster. And you have the option of changing the images around. Since this is going to be my main image, the second, third, and you could just change it from here or in the next step. So we're just going to assign this and we're going to do the rest the same. So I have this shirt right here. We're going to do uh, pants, more pants. We got jeans just like this and more. And this is much faster as you keep doing it. So we have this, we also have this right here. And right now we're up to the 12th item. So this one will be this. And then from here, I'm just going to control A. Actually, I'm going to select in a range I want it to be, just like this. And then the back side and the measurements, just like this, assign it. And now we could go to the next step, which is the edit and publish. We see that 14 items are all here. And from here, we're just going to select all the ones we want to generate information for and click generate listing. And as we could see, we're going to spend 28 credits in total, 14 now when generating the information and 14 when you publish. And we do have a free option, a freemium option where you get 30 credits per month, so about 15 listings. And yeah, so you could see everything is being auto-filled. And this should be, we could just edit as we go. For this one, I forgot to add the brand, I believe. So for the first one, we're just gonna remove this for now because so we're just gonna select this one and we're just gonna, and we do get a credit back if we do not publish it for the ones that we do generate. So now I'm just gonna remove that. Remove that. So the first time over here, I'm just gonna rearrange the images so it looks better, just like this. And these two measurement images I want last, just like this, perfect. And we could just make sure everything is good. Size small, and most of these are correct. And if you do not like the title, you have the option of clicking this refresh button and this will generate 5 suggestions for the titles. And if we click on it, you could see all the different titles it suggests, and you could just keep doing it. So for now, I'm just gonna keep it as is. I like it, and we're just gonna fill in some of the used conditions have condition descriptions you have to follow. So I'm just gonna fill these in, and all the ones you see with the this icon with the yellow, you need to fill in. They are required. So I usually just go by the title first, and then I just look at everything else. Okay, so Cactus Man, Ricky Singh Striped, men's size medium. Just want to make sure and rearrange the images. For some reason, when I uploaded to Drive, it messed up the image order, so not a big deal, but could be much faster if you have it in order. So it's size medium, and it's a little too big, large. So I'm just gonna remove this parenthesis from men's, and that should be 80 out of 80, no error. Then we have this ASOS. I'm just gonna rearrange the images here as well. I'm gonna remove one of the image for the tag. Measurement picks at the end. And you can just keep it at this order. And this is a ASOS 2830. And we can find that 2830 length. And that's perfect. It detected that. Khakis. And then men's trousers, perfect. Then we have this Express Fin Men's Pant 2930 cotton dark green trousers. Okay, so we will rearrange the images a little bit, just like this. And I'm gonna put this as the last. And this is good order. And this is 2930, 2930. We got this packs on. And it's gonna move the image order around, just like this. And first, let's just work on all the images. Everything else looks perfect in order. Okay, so now we have that. We were up to this Express, cotton dark green casual trousers. I'm just gonna put this to navy. Okay, so we got 33, 30, 30, perfect. Stressed, perfect. Paxton skinny, jeans, and this is women's it says. And I'm just gonna change this to men's. Just like this. And this is H&M. H&M. Oops. Ooh. Alright, so H&M casual. And for some reason, just keep taking me back. I'm going to fix that. So by the time you guys use this, it'll be perfect. And then we got this top man, skinny jeans, black, UK, skinny. So we got that skinny fit. I don't want it in the EU size. So this should have so US small, a 30S. We'll just make it US 30S. S and 30, EU size 46. And I just want to make sure that's correct. EUR is 76 centimeters. UK 30S. So I'm just gonna remove that size 46 EU, just like this. Skinny fit, distressed knee. And we also have the option of just clicking this to get more suggestions. And this is size 30 as well. Skinny fit, or actually skinny fit, yeah. It says it's gray, which it is a little bit. It's like a dark gray, perfect slim fit. Then we got the Forever 21 men's skinny fit jeans, size 29, black distressed pants, which is perfect. And then we got the H&M women's. It shouldn't be women's. It should be men's. Oops. And sometimes when you type it's a bug. I'm gonna fix that as soon as you guys use it. So men's we could do like this. Men's skinny jeans size 26, ripped denim pants. Perfect. And then we got the American Eagle Outfitters Extreme Flex 4 black distressed 33, 32. And we can also look at the size. Perfect. And from here, I'm just gonna fill in. So this is pre-owned, excellent, excellent. We can also hover over excellent. And it's exactly what I wanted. And this is good. Yep. Excellent, excellent. And for this is new without tax, I would say. And we just gotta change it up here a little bit. And this is pre-owned, good. Okay, so now we're just gonna fill in the condition descriptions, and you can use the predefined descriptions. You could type your own, or you could create custom ones for later. Now I'm just gonna use the predefined ones, and in the future I will have a way to bulk select all of them for each listing. And if you do not want to do it in bulk, we also have the single crate listing, which I'll show you with one of electric item after this. And that just it gives you more control over everything. So we're gonna load so if you're on the premium plan, you have price suggestions. So we're just gonna load all of them up, and this will give you some suggestions if it does have based on market data. So if you click on the chart here, some of these are vintage. So yeah, so this does give you four suggestions: a quick sale, optimal, premium, and AI suggests. So I'm just gonna go with the quick sale for this one. What I usually put these items at 24, and this I'll make it 14. Ooh, 14.99. This is brand new. Make it 24.99. This brand new. We're gonna make this. Oh, this is not brand new. So yeah, we'll just go at 15.30. And then we got these Paxsons. I'll make this 14.99. For some reason, it's kind of weird typing in the price, but that will be fixed. These Paxsons. Okay, so we'll make this 18.99. Then we got these H&M, and these will go to 14.99. These Topmans should be a little more expensive. Should be at like 34.99. Oops, just like this. Then we got some suggestions for the Zara men, and this will be at 14.99. Got this Forever 21, and this will also be at, let's keep it at the quick optimal one, quick sale. Then we got these H&M. I'll make this 12.99. And then we got these American Eagle Outfitters, and this is where my Express went. So I'm just gonna delete this. Thank God I saw that. I'm just gonna click done. Stressed jeans 33, 32, and it still actually took the right title. I'm just gonna see if they have better titles. I'm just gonna get a title suggestion here. And I'm just gonna go click the first one here. And as you can see, some of these are finished. So once you're finished, you'll be able to select and publish the ones that are finished. And if they are not finished and they're selected, it'll tell you what errors to fix here. So now I already know what errors to fix. So we're just gonna click on this item aspects, and it didn't fill some of it. So we're just gonna do regular, and the inseam here, if I do go to my image here, is 24 like this, and then we just click finish, and all of these are auto-filled for you most of the time. So now we got the ASOS, and this is gonna be regular, finish, and same for these, regular, inseam for the top man is 27, and then the Zara size 30, regular. You just want to make sure this is correct. And we got the inseam to be 28. This is much faster as you don't talk and do it, but once you get the groove of it, this will save you so much time, as it does for me. When it usually used to take me around 2 hours to even list five. So we got 28.5. I'm just gonna round that up to 28. And the last item here, which we don't have a price for, is the okay, so we're just gonna go with the optimal quick sell one. And now we see everything is finished. You just want to make sure your fulfillment, your eBay listing policies are the ones you want. 845 immediate return, and then my merchant inventory location. I want to publish immediately and enable allow best offers. So once we are happy with our items here, our batches, we're just gonna click publish. We're gonna put our quantity in, and we could also hover over these just to make sure everything is correct. And I'm just gonna click publish now, and it's gonna be checking the listings, and it says 13 out of 13 successfully published. And if we do go on our eBay, and I just show you from my active inventory here, so I'm just gonna click active inventory, we could see all of the items have been listed. And you also have our active inventory over here. You could change our titles, get suggestions, and do the same thing, just just in case you do need to change something. And then we also have these inventory locations, so we could know, for example, storage room A, rack 3, bin 2, if you have a crazy system. And once the item sells, you'll be able to see it in the location right here. So now I just want to show you the single crate listing. We were using the bulk crate listing, and I just want to show you the single crate listing. So I'm gonna find my item here. It should be in my folder. This is, give me a second. Okay, so we also have this RAM, I'm thinking. It's 4 images. I'm just gonna analyze. And right now we're using the single crate listing tool. And this is also a three-step process. So our basic information, so it's gonna be box 16 and then 000, or it's gonna be 15. I actually do want to go back. So I'm gonna go back and see my SKUs. So 13 we had, 14. So yeah, we're up to the 15th one. So we're gonna go back to the crate listing tool, the single crate listing. We're gonna resume the listing we're just doing. And yeah, 15 is perfect. This is the 16 gig. And we can just see 8 GB and 8 GB, perfect. So 16 DDR4, 24 Hertz. Okay, a dual channel kit. And if we do not, we go add create a custom location here, could SKU builder, and we also print the label if you like in different styles here. So from here, pick the perfect category. Condition will make it used. and it's gonna, if you're a premium plan, it'll give you a suggestion. But for now, I already know the price I want this to be at, 18.99. And we gotta pick a condition here. So well used with well functional. Okay, cool. UPC, it's gonna leave that blank. We're gonna 5.95 immediate return. Okay, cool. And let's say I were to pick calculated shipping, I would have to fill this in, and you also have shipping profiles you could create. But for now, I'm just gonna put it at 5.94.95 shipping. Click next, DDFR, HyperX, and this automatically fills in most of the suggestions for you. And then we click next. This is our second step, and our next step is will be our last step, where it checks the listing, and once it sells, these are the eBay fees that will take. And I'm just gonna rearrange the image. Actually, we'll keep it as is, and we're just gonna click publish, or we could save it to draft, our draft page here, to schedule it later. So we're just gonna click publish for now. And that was about 15 items in a couple of minutes, and that's with me talking. And if I were to do this manually, it'll take me around 8 minutes per item. So yeah, over an hour, I would say. And now I just want to show you some other stuff like our title generator, which if you do not want to use or connect your eBay store with Snap2List, you are available to use let me just show you guys. I'm just gonna disconnect here. We disconnect, and now we'll be able to use the title generator and the keyword generator. And if I were to upload some images here and click analyze image, we'll get three different outputs for titles and also some suggested keywords on the side here. And then the same for the keyword generator, which will just give you some keywords and also a title builder if you want to build it on your own. And yeah, just like this. Perfect. And now if you do guys, if this is I hope you guys are able to list much faster using Snap2List. And we do have a free plan which you get 30 credits per month. And we also have some promotions here like 50% off the first month of premium or pro using these codes Scale with Pro or Scale Fast.